LBRY.TV video by @super grand ad. World news updates, fast and free, 6th of October 2020. Right, hi everyone. Here's a quick video. Go to your favourite word processor, whatever it is you use. For me, it's LibreOffice. Create yourself a new file, save it to your desktop so it's there like that on your desktop, and that will be what we're going to do, video news links. Now, how do I keep up with, because YouTube keep blanking off, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Let's go to here. If I click on my bell and go Alex Benfield, that was his second video today, or third. But when you go down to this one, YouTube had blanked it off. It don't work unless Alex blanked it himself. But what I get, because if I click on that, you should see that it goes video unavailable. But when we go back to his video links, it's actually there. So either YouTube are mucking about, or there's a glitch, or Alex did actually delete it and re-put it back up. Don't know what happened. So to get to play this video, you have to come on his main page, on his video page. Now I'm going to show you an easy way to check up on Alex every few hours to see what he's up to. So we're going to copy his name. I'm going to put it in my word page or word or whatever. I'm going to change that down to so it's totally off, and go back to his page, come up to the address bar and just copy that address. So all I've done is copy and paste. Now I can go Control and V, and that, because I'm going to save this as a rich text file, see, use rich text format, because I'm using that rich text format, that link becomes live, see, and all I have to do is hold down Control and click on it. Depending on what word processor you're using, you might just be able to click on it, but it shows you, and I don't particularly like that colour, so I'm going to make it blue, because that tells me it's a link, for me to know it's a link. Go down one, and there you go. That's all you do. I'll do the same now with Jeff Taylor. Alright, Jeff Taylor, because sometimes his pages don't come up. So copy, Control and C, back to my word processor, Control and V, back to his address bar, Control and C to copy, Control and V to paste. Simple. Oh, except it didn't come up in the colour. It usually comes up blue, but not to worry, I just click there and it's now blue. And change that back to black for the next one. And there you go, that's it. So make your video news links page. And what we can do now to prove it works is I'll go back to here and close this all together. Right, so there's nothing else under there other than the text, the word processor page, I could now go up on there, and I'll go hold down Control for me, click the button, let it go, and it opens it up, and there's opening it up in a new page because I didn't close the old ones. I just wanted to show you that it does work. There you go, Alex Benfield, Voices for Reason, straight back, and he's put another one up. There, look, so we can go straight onto his video or any video of your choice, any publisher, video publisher of your choice, and they don't have to be just YouTube. You can go and have a look at my Super Grandad page on LBRY. I'll do exactly the same. So, hello from Super Grandad. Copy. Page. Down here. Control and V to paste. Back to the address. Copy. Back to the page. Control and V. Oh, and it's gone the right colour this time. There you go. So that's simple. See? So it doesn't have to be just YouTube videos. You can do this for any page whatsoever, including Facebook. If you want to send me a text message via Facebook, look, no Facebook up here. So what I'll do is I'll go like this and say Facebook. There's my page, facebook.com/john.lovatt.524, and click on it. I want to click link to this to my home page. Again, copy. I can actually type this one in. Facebook john.lovatt.524. Control and V to paste in the address. Hit the button. See, now I can go straight to my Facebook page. Very straightforward. There you go. That's what I'm going to call it there. Hope you enjoyed this quick little short video. How to make quick links so you can go and visit the favourite pages that you want to visit, and video sites that you want to visit. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Got to remember how to turn this one off. Finish recording. There it is. Right, bye bye. Catch you all later. If you're watching via YouTube, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. But if you was watching by LBRY.TV, you'd get paid to watch this video. Yeah, you would get paid. It's great, LBRY.TV, getting paid to watch a video. Hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, click the show more button below the video and you will get the link to join me on LBRY.TV.